Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 1. And we want to use the limit definition to find the derivative of the function. Step 1. Find f of x. Well, f of x is given. So f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 1. Step 2. Find f of x plus h. Now this is evaluating the function. So we're going to go back to our original function. And wherever there's an x, we'll put in a set of parentheses. So we got parentheses squared minus 4 times parentheses minus 1. Now whatever's inside the parentheses right here is automatically we're going to put in right here and right here. So this will be x plus h, and this will be x plus h. Well, x plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. And distributive property, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, negative 4 times h is negative 4h, then the minus 1 carries down. X times x is x squared, x times h is hx, h times x is hx, and h times h is h squared. Minus 4x minus 4h minus 1, which gives us x squared. We can combine together like terms. We've got hx plus hx, that gives us 2hx, plus h squared, minus 4x, minus 4h, minus 1. Step 3. Plug it into our formula. F prime is equal to the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So we got limit as h goes to 0. F of x plus h from step 2 we said was all of this. So we'll have x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h minus 1. Minus, and I'll put a parentheses because that's affect the whatever follows it, minus f of x, which we said in step 1 was x squared minus 4x minus 1 all over h. Now our goal was to get rid of that h down in the denominator, so keep that in mind. First thing I notice is I got a negative in front of parentheses. That's going to flip the sign of everything inside. So flip the sign of the x squared, the negative 4x, and the negative 1. So we're going to have x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h minus 1, negative x squared plus 4x plus 1 all over h. Now we're going to combine together like terms. Here we got x squared minus x squared. Those are going to cancel. Here's a negative 4x. Here's a positive 4x. Those are going to cancel. And here's a negative 1. And here's a positive 1. Those will cancel. So we got limit as h goes to 0 of 2hx plus h squared minus 4h, and I guess that's everything, all over h. Now notice that everything up on top has an h in common. So we're going to factor an h out, and that gives us 2x plus h minus 4 all over h. Now here we have an h and here we have an h, so those are going to cancel. And we got limit as h goes to 0 of 2x plus h minus 4. Now that h down in the denominator is what was causing us a problem. So now we're ready to plug 0 in for h. So we're going to have 2x plus 0 minus 4, or 2x minus 4. And that's our answer. That's a derivative of x squared minus 4x minus 1.